Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I'm doing research on the coolant flush and it's popping up that I should also replace the thermometer. So going to make this a separate video. I bought this car in 2017. We are creeping up there in mileage, currently around 150K. Let's do some research. Okay, I really like this video by Joe Smartballs. According to Google AI, the thermostat is good for 5 to 8 years, so we're definitely getting up there in age. I don't think I need any tools, just a 10mm bolt here, but I am gonna go to the dealership and pick up a new thermostat. We are back from shopping. I also thought about changing these hoses, but that was an extra $200 in parts. Thought it was kind of expensive. So here is the thermometer. We'll need coolant because I have to drain that. And I'm also making a coolant video flush that should be up in a few days. Let's jack her up. I think that's enough space for me to work. I'm gonna start with removing the plastic covering. Underneath here, there's a bunch of little plastic tabs that look like that. We need a flathead to pop those out. Let's get that off. That was pretty easy. There was 3 of these 12mm bolts, 1, 2, 3. Each side had 3 of these style tabs. The ones over here, and overall there was 10 of these. I'm definitely leaking engine oil and transmission oil. Gonna make a post about that to see what's going on there, but for this video, I'm pretty sure this is the petcock where we have to twist this thing in the back to start draining the coolant. That was pretty messy. I should have worn gloves. Here's what my radiator petcock looks like. The thermostat housing is over here on the driver's side. I'm pretty sure it is that thing behind these tubes. Radiator hose is definitely leaking some coolant. Should have bought that replacement part. But another problem for another day. Let's go ahead and release these housing 10mm. Moment of truth. Everything is loosened up. Here is the new thermostat. This 10mm nut was pretty easy to get to. I had to use a short one of these to get to that one in the back. I also used a wrench to loosen up the old thermometer. All right, I got the old one out, new one going in. Okay, mine seems to fit very good. I had to make it so this little wiggly thing was up because it didn't fit like this or like this. it had to go in this way, and the thing feels pretty good. I'm just gonna reverse everything I did, put these back, finish the coolant flush video. Video 290 done.